Skid steer loaders are a very specialized type of small tractor that have as part of its standard equipment a front end loader. And they're used very often around construction jobs. All of them presently have, at least that are designed for an operator sitting in a seat, falling object protections, and that's good. The problem with front-end loaders is the simple fact that they can be operated from outside very often, and by that I mean someone is trying to move the machine, say up a hill, they get out of the machine and they reach into the machine and try to operate it and accidentally activate the front end loader control. The front end loader goes up in the air and actually crushes the operator between the front end loader arms and the support poles of the rollover protective system. That doesn't have to happen. It's absolutely foreseeable. Manufacturers can make these machines so that there is no way an operator not in the seat can operate them in any fashion. Again, you get into the area of competition as one of the reasons why they have not done so. It costs a little bit more.